the hope, with a new beginning, right Marlo?
Yeah.
That the coming year will be good for all of us, inshallah. We are here right now, ST Vincent Resort. I'm super excited that they're having a big, very pool. The excited moment for me. So after a long time, I will have the chance to go and jump into the pool. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is the 31st day of 2020, and everybody knows that 2020 wasn't much good for all of us. And from the beginning, if you will go back actually from December 2019, there was a problem raised in the whole world in the shape of COVID, and gradually, slowly, steady, it spread all over the world. And I would like to say today, the year 2020, maybe it was a disaster for all of us over the world, but for every disaster, when it's passed away, there is always a fresh beginning. So let's pray for today that the coming year, the 2021, will be the best year for all of us, for the whole world, for the whole humanity. Let's raise our hands together for the sake of God, that us, all of us, for His forgiveness, and may Allah forgive us for our all bad things which bring us all troubles during this 2020. And hope within couple of hours, when the new beginning, the new day will start, 2021, everything will be with a fresh beginning, a fresh breeze, like a fresh breeze morning, I mean to say. Inshallah, that 2021 will be the best year for all of us over the world. Wish you all the best. Stay blessed and healthy. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Daily Life Stuff, and it will be actually a gesture from you as an audience. You know, when you are going to watch any video on the YouTube particularly, so you should appreciate people, particularly the guys. They are spending efforts and their times, and they are making vlog, and they are presenting you through the media, YouTube. You know, hand together and just click the likes button, bell button, subscribe button, and share it with your loved one, your friends, and all on your social media. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.